Hello and welcome. Richard Morris here from Morris Succession Lawyers. And we're just settling into our new office in Port Macquarie. We've moved next door to a larger, more sunlit premises. So far, so good. It's been a lot of long hours over the last month or so just getting that move set down and in place, but I think we're more or less there. I thought I'd just mention tonight a bit of a concept of mean profits. Now, I'm not talking about some sort of capitalist idea. It's actually a Latin term, MESNE, mean profits. And these, I attended recently a talk down on the Central Coast put on by 2 Wentworth Chambers, which was a great day, a great evening. It was good to have a chance to talk to a variety of specialists in this area of law, as well as other figures from the judiciary, such as Justice Slattery, who was there, gave a great talk on really for legal practitioners from his perspective as to how he would like to see matters dealt with within the probate and succession list. That was really useful, but one of the talks was put on by Hal Alton, who's a property barrister from 2 Wentworth, and he spoke about mean profits, and it's something that we have come up relatively regularly within the estate practice we have, in terms of it's something that would entitle an executor, say if you've got a beneficiary or a party that is refusing to move out of the deceased's property, then the executor can seek mean profits, which are essentially what would have been commercial rent for the period that the person is in possession of the property until you get them out. Now, it's something that's claimed separate to the order for possession. So first of all, you seek an order for possession to have the person removed out of the property. And then once they're out, you then can seek the rate of weekly sort of rent or commercial rent that would have been applicable for the period that they were in the property. So it's something that you see. Obviously, it's something that comes up for property lawyers in terms of getting possession of properties where people are squatting, or tenants that are refusing to, or tenancy law. Obviously, you've got some separate arrangements, but if you've got squatters in there, then that could be an action that's taken. But it comes up in estate practice commonly with parties after someone's passed away, but also with family members when an elderly person loses capacity, mental capacity, may move into aged care facility. Again, you can have family members stay on and refuse to pay rent and really cause some hardship to the elderly person, because normally the property needs to be sold in order to fund an accommodation deposit, a bond for their nursing home, and not having the property available for sale can really inhibit the family's ability to be able to get that bond. So obviously, once you've got the order for them to be removed, you can then seek these mean profits for that period of time that they're in the property. So I hope that's of use, and if you've got any questions, then please feel free to contact myself or the team at Morris Succession Lawyers.